Alright guys, welcome back. Just ate dinner and now I'm looking to satisfy my sweet tooth. So I'm going to do a quick recipe, something pretty easy since I'm really not a baker. And we're going to make a little chocolate chip cookie sandwich with cream cheese kind of icing filling. And let's get into it. So I like to follow the KISS method, the keep it simple, stupid. So first thing is I'm just going to warm up some coconut oil. I'm looking for its saturated fat properties to help give it a little bit of stability when it's cold, but I'm warming it down to help soften up my cream cheese a bit. So I have about a quarter of a stick of cream cheese in here, and I'm going to add some cocoa powder. Go with a tablespoon of cocoa powder in the shape of a heart, since I heart cocoa powder. And this is monk fruit, erythritol from Swerve. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of that. I think we're pretty warm on that coconut oil. I'm just going to mix this in. So now that I have my filling made, I'm going to take these cookies. This is the KetoConnect.net recipe. I will link to their channel on this video, but I'm not going to include the recipe since it's not my own. And I'm just going to take 2 cookies and sandwich some filling together. And then I'm just going to refrigerate it. We'll come back to those in probably 15-20 minutes when the cream cheese and coconut oil has reset. Alright, let's see how they turned out. Ooh. I'm going to cut them in half. Yes. snack time. So the thing to remember about these is they might be low carb, but they are not low calorie. So Vanna White. So enjoy.
So how many calories? We're not sure.
I don't know. Does it matter? Mm-mm.
Oh my gosh.
That's really good.
Why did you make me this?
Because I was thinking about it for a while.
But now it will forever be on my mind.
Mm-hmm. So luckily, that KetoConnect cookie recipe works really well. If you double the batch, roll it in parchment, and freeze it, which is what I do. And then I'll just slice off a couple cookies at a time and bake them for the recommended 15 minutes. I've done this with ice cream in the middle too, and it is just as good, if not better. What's really nice about them is they have that softer texture, so it doesn't just shatter everywhere and it holds together.
And you will not miss the carbs because this tastes like it has carbs.
Yeah.
It's so good. So good. Now you have to make them like this every time.
Okay. I also made an espresso because what am I without a little bit of coffee in my life, right?
Not human.
Mm-hmm. I mean, this one's decaf, but still.
These are really good.
Yeah, as much as I want to eat a second one or a second half, probably shouldn't.
Should I give it my true review?
How many dopes out of 2?
It's like 3 dopes out of 2.
But you only have 2 to give.
I have 3 to give for this.
Okay. So yeah, make these or use your favorite cookie recipe also. It doesn't have to be that Keto Connect one, although it just happens to be my favorite. So if I haven't already linked to their video and or website, you know, somewhere on the top of the screen, I'll make sure I do it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Eat your
and
cookies.
Have a snack. Yeah. Have a good one, guys.
Bye.
Why didn't you say that?
I can't swear.
No, but the other part.
I said I wanted to know what the bleep this filling is because it's delicious and you can't make the cookies like this any other way now. I think I might have already said that.
Yeah,
I just had lots of expletives for these cookies.
So I stopped filming and then she started bleeping. I'm like, why didn't you bleep and say that? Bleeping.
I don't bleep and know.
That's the reaction they want to see.
What reaction? Me getting fresh?
Mm-hmm. All right. That's
Bye,
enough
again.
out of us.